Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing a beautiful and easy Christmas craft ideas that you can make at home easily. If you love DIY decoration and cozy Christmas styles and creative ideas, then this video is just for you. So let's get started. Christmas is a special time of the year. It is a season of happiness, love, family and beautiful decorations. You do not need expensive materials to make your home look festive. With a little creativity, simple items can become amazing Christmas decoration. In today's project, I'm using easy craft materials that you can find at home or in local craft store. Take your time and enjoy every step. DIY is not only about making something beautiful but also about having fun and relaxing. First, clean all the materials before you start. A clean surface helps your craft look neat and professional. Next, arrange everything on your table so you can work comfortably. Now, slowly decorate your craft piece. Add rope, ribbon, paint, glitter, pine cones, small ornaments, artificial leaves, or any decoration you like. There is no right or wrong way. You can choose your favorite colors and create your own unique design. As you continuing, you will see how a simple item can change into a beautiful Christmas decoration. Small details make a big difference, so you don't rush. Enjoy every moment for create process. This craft is perfect for decorating your living room, bedroom, dining table, fireplace, shelf, or Christmas corners. It also makes a lovely handmade gift for every family and friends. A handmade gift always feels more special because it is made with love. If you have children, you can make this craft together. It is a fun family activity and create a wonderful Christmas memories. Everyone can add their own creativity ideas and enjoying spending time together. One of the best thing about DIY is they are budget friendly. You don't need spend a lot of money to decorate your home beautifully. Some simple items, materials, and a little imagination can create something amazing. I hope this craft inspire you to make your own Christmas decoration. Don't worry if your project looks different from mine. Every handmade craft is special because it reflects your creativity. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel and motivates me to create more DIY ideas for you. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming videos. I truly appreciate every like, every comment and subscription. Thank you for being here, supporting my channel. Your kind words always make me happy and encouragement to keep creating. Tell me in the comment which part of today's craft you liked the most. I love reading your comments, and in my upcoming videos I will try to mention some of your names as a small thank you for your support. There are many more Christmas DIY ideas coming soon, so stay connected with us. We will make beautiful, easy and affordable decoration together throughout the season. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed these Christmas craft ideas and found it helpful. Wishing you your family peaceful and Christmas. Take care, stay creative, stay blessed, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Take care, stay creative, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, goodbye.